Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to add columns in Google Sheets. Why would you want to know how to add columns in Google Sheets? Well, maybe it is your first time using Google Sheets and not sure how to add columns in Google Sheets. So today I am going to show you how to add columns in Google Sheets. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Adding columns in Google Sheet is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for iOS and Android devices. Let me show how you will add columns in Google Sheets. First of all, open Google Sheets app in your mobile phone and then select any sheet you want to edit. Now I will choose that sheets. Now here are few columns in my Google Sheets. Now I want to add new column between B and C. Then first select B column and then click on add column option in the right bottom corner. And now you can add new column before and after B column like this. So there you go. If you were wondering how to add columns in Google Sheets, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.